Junior Wizards. Here I am again, Headmaster Fava from the Patch School of Wizardry. If you're watching this, you're now on to Book 2. You've completed Book 1, and you know the mantra. W is for white, white equals 1. R is for red, red equals 2. G is for light green equals 3. P is for purple, purple equals 4. Y is for yellow, yellow equals 5. D is for dark green equals 6. K is for black, black equals 7. N is for brown, brown equals 8. E is for blue, and blue equals 9. And O is for orange, and orange equals 10. And now here we are, going to start Book 2. I know you're going to have fun with this book. The first part we're going to be working on is with codes. Got to get you all thinking in codes. Are you ready? Let's begin with today's lesson on page 2. Now, Wizard Tracy on my side, my left side here, is going to help us. Well, here's the first example on page 2. Light green, light green. She's going to write down the G, and the G is an example. And she's now going to put it in the top because we're going to have to add them. What does light green and light green equal? D. There. Is that hard? G plus G equals D. Light green, 3 plus 3. But we're not going to talk anymore about numbers. We're only going to talk about codes, because in your head, you know the codes. Let's do one more example, and then we're going to go to the next page. Each one we're going to, from now on, only do one example. Brown and red. An N and an R in red. There we go. Now, what does N and R equal? Use your measuring tool at the top, and it equals 10. Oh, was that hard? No, because you know your codes. Now let's go to the next page. Page 3. We have problem A dark green and a purple. Dark green and purple. Wizard Tracy's getting good at this. And what does dark green and a purple equal? Having a hard time finding one that fits. Yes. What does it equal? 10. Yes. Which is an O. So a D plus a P equals an O. Let's go to the next page. Okay, here we go. We're going to start with a yellow and a purple. Yellow and purple. Let's use our measuring sticks and find out what a yellow and purple equals. Yellow and purple equals 9. See if we can find a 9 blue. There we go. Yellow and purple equals E. Let's go to the next page. Pages will all be the same with the numbers mixed up. Or I should say the codes mixed up, right? We're on codes. Now, a yellow and a white. What does yellow and white equal? 6. Dark green. Dark green. D, okay. Should we do another one? Nah, you're getting it. Let's go to the next page. Ah, dark green and purple. Now, she's going to write them in, a D and a P. And let's see what it equals up at the top. Notice how important the measuring tool is? It's 10. An O. She needs to find an O, and there it is. Good. One more page. This is the assessment page. This is the page that tells me if you know what you're doing with the codes. I'm not going to do this, but I'm going to show you the one on the bottom. We're going to do the bottom one, on the very bottom. Let's do an R and a G and a W. An R, a G, and a W. And what does that equal? Wizard Tracy, you have to use the measuring stick now. So an R and a G and a W equals a dark green. Yes, you're coming along. See, when you put 3 down, it's not hard, or 4. You're using your measuring stick. And the total goes on top. Okay, very good. Now, we're going to stop for today and then pick this up again tomorrow. Thank you.